Hey guys, Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre here. Just thought I'd do a quick post. Now, you haven't been able to see the workshop because of the COVID restrictions since we've moved in. So you can see I've got the mask on. You can see just over my shoulder there, we've got the hand sanitizer. So we're all COVID safe, ready to go. But I just thought I'd give you a bit of an insight into the new workshop, see what it looks like. Now, you know, the old workshop was, we ran out of room quite quickly. You can hear Shane singing in the background, so that hasn't changed. But this workshop's 2.5 times the size. So you can probably see over my shoulder, we have a workshop full of caravans and boat trailers. So they're here for essential repairs, rego checks, things like that. So as you are aware, we are open, ready to help you where we can. Give us a call if you need our assistance. The number is 8544 8114. Guys, look forward to seeing you soon.